I've escaped with my family to northern Michigan for a week in July to escape the Mid-South heat. That sounds good, huh?
That sounds great.
While there, I saw a few of these trees which appeared to be a type of maple. Can you identify it? Would it grow here in the Mid-South? Thanks. And this is Tommy from Cordova, Tennessee. Mr. Tommy, it's actually Joellen's favorite maple. She's
Yes.
going to tell you about it.
Yes. Acer griseum, paperbark maple.
Yep.
Gorgeous, gorgeous foliage. Yeah, it's one of my first maples that I learned, and I have loved it ever since.
You talk about it quite a few times.
We have it at the university in a raised area.
Wow.
And it's irrigated. So that's what I'm going to recommend. Something you got to make sure you get it irrigated, because we're in a zone, I believe 7B, that is about 8 is about the lowest zone that the Acer griseum will live in. So we are about to the lowest area that it will survive. So I would suggest afternoon shade. And make sure it's well drained, because you know, in Michigan and Illinois, their soils are completely different. Ours are a little thicker, so I would make sure it's in a well-drained area, because too much water would be the worst thing for it. Well-drained area, afternoon shade, and you'll get it to grow.
You get it to grow.
Very pretty.
Beautiful tree specimen. Yeah, I like the bark.
Oh, I love the bark.
And I saw the picture, I was like, I know what this is. It's Joellen's favorite maple. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.